Princesses, welcome to Declutter and Minimalism. Boy, do I need that. I've been sick almost 3 weeks with sinus infection. I don't know, crud, that I hope nobody ever gets because this has been terrible. But anyway, Thad's liked it because I've lost my voice for almost 3 weeks. But anyway, that's another story. Our host is Organized with Joy. Please check out her channel and check out the playlist to see what everybody else decluttered. This month was a hard month for me when it comes to declutter. I didn't get as much done as I had hoped to. I got a small box and I went through my purses and decluttered some of them. And I have a few items that I'd done earlier in the month that I put in a box for this challenge, which was a good idea. But anyway, here's what I decluttered, and I hope you enjoy what I got rid of. First of all, I've been sick for over 2 weeks, so I haven't done a lot of declutter. So I decided to go through some of my purses to start out with and then show you some stuff that I decluttered before I got sick. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. There's 2 things I love: purses and jewelry. As you can tell with my headbands and all of those things. Well, I decided it's time to go through my purses. I have some that are very old, and I don't use them quite as much as I used to, so I thought I'd go through some and maybe declutter some. I actually have a large pile of purses I'm going to declutter because I am really into a kind of purse, and I'll show you what that is too in this video. But first I'll show you what I'm getting rid of. First of all, this, because I thought it would be a nice bag when I bought it. It's really flimsy, and I don't like it because it's so flimsy. And I don't like purses that if you spill anything, it soaks through on your stuff. So that's a thing that I don't like in a purse, because I'm a spiller, and so is my husband. So that's an out, especially the light color. No, that ain't for me. Here's a purse I've had for a very long time, like before I was married, kind of purse that I've had. And it's, forget the brand. Well, if you know, you know. It was really popular back then. I don't even know if they make them anymore. It was kind of a party thing, like Tupperware. But I'm going to get rid of this. I've had it, like I said, longer than I've been married, which is 15 years. So it's time to get rid of that. And I did use it a lot. This was my vacation bag. And now if I fill this thing full, it's just too heavy for me. You know, age gets to you. And here's another one. It's the same way. I didn't use this one quite so much. And it is really, really nice. But it's just too big for me. Here's one that I would use on vacation. I used it a couple times, but with the color, it got too dirty and I didn't like it as well, so I didn't use it. So this is going to go. Here's one. I used it a lot. A lot. But it's time to retire it too. I liked it because you could put a water bottle here. Here's another one I used a lot. And I'm going to retire it too. Oh, and there's a bunch of stuff to get in it. I thought I got everything out. Well, I guess I better check better. When you go through purses, make sure you check and empty them. This one here, I used it a lot when we went on trips, because I like the crossbody when I go on vacation. but I'm going to retire this. Here's one that I bought at Temu, and I thought it was cute, and I thought it'd be really nice, and I thought I'd love it, because if you know me, you know I like Southwest style. That's just kind of my style. Southwest and retro is vintage is kind of my style. So I got this at Temu, and I'm not a fan. It's kind of like the other one. It's floppy. There is a couple pockets in it, and it's just not. And these tassels gets in my way. I'm just not a fan. It's gonna go. Here's one I also used a lot on vacation, and it's too big. Too big for me now. I really like it. It's cute with a little pink bow here on the side, but it's also one great big pocket in the inside. The only thing it has to separate anything is this little thing, and it's attached, which is kind of a pain. So I'm gonna let that go. I'm going to show you two I thought about getting rid of, but I'm not going to get rid of them quite yet. They're going to go back in my pile that maybe in a couple months I may declutter them. I got these two on Temu. Let me see. Got these two from Temu, and they're really tiny. They're actually almost too tiny for me to take out. It's too small for me, because I have to take everything but the kitchen sink, you know. And another thing, down in here, this is like, I don't know, it's almost like paper. I don't like the quality of it. And it does have a zipper here. And the zipper is not that great, but I don't know, it's not going to hold up. So I was going to declutter this. It does have a little pocket here. I don't know what you put. I don't know if I could even get my cell phone in it. But I was going to declutter this. But from the first time since my wedding, we have a wedding to attend this year of a dear friend. And I thought, well, I'll keep this one. And there's another one that I'll keep. And if I don't use it for the wedding, I will get rid of it. Unless I just have to unless I have to get another one for the wedding, depending on the color of my dress, because I haven't picked the dress for the wedding yet. One I kept in case I wanted to use it for the upcoming wedding. Like I said, I don't know what dress I'm wearing, so it depends on the dress what I will use. And here's the strap that goes to this. And I do kind of like the longer strap better. But it's very, very small. So it's not one that I take on vacation or use for every day. It does have another pocket there. It has another pocket here, which is kind of nice. But like I said, it's very, very small. Won't hold that much. So it's not a purse that I would use for every day. But I will keep it in case it matches my dress for the upcoming wedding that I'm going to be attending. You all want to know what my favorite purse is right now. Well, since I'm going through my purses, I'll show you my favorite purse. This was a Christmas gift from my husband. And yes, it's Wrangler brand. As I said, I love Southwest style. And who remembers the denim purses of my teen years? Well, I haven't even opened it really. This reminded me of that. And he asked me what I wanted, and I said I'd like the denim Wrangler purse. And this is my favorite style. I'm carrying right now the turquoise one. And I love this style. I love this style because it's the perfect size, and I love the straps. And it's just a perfect size for all of the things I need. And has a nice pocket here. And a nice pocket here. It's just perfect for all of my things. And And I also love their wallets. This is the turquoise one. This is the denim one to match the purse. And normally I would carry a big wallet, but I have learned to love this. It's got just enough space for all my cards. And it's got enough space for everything I need right in there. And it's got a clip that I clip to this, and then I clip the strap. That way it's easy to find, or I can either that, or I can slide it down into one of the pockets. It's absolutely perfect for me because I can't carry a big heavy purse right now. Since I've been sick, I just can't carry such a big purse. So this is the perfect purse for me. And I just love it. I love the style of it. That's my go-to everyday purse right now. It might not work for the upcoming wedding because I need something a little fancier, but for me, for now, this is my go-to purse. That's why I'm getting rid of some of the, quite a few of the others. I also replaced 3 of Thad's Dickie long sleeve work shirts, which I'll show you a picture of what I replaced. And I got rid of 3. So that is another thing I decluttered, but then I replaced it. So, you know, there's that. And I'll show you because right now is the time to buy these if your husband wears them, because they're normally $32 and I just picked them up for $16, which is a really good deal. So I'll show you the picture, and I get them on Amazon. Here's some more things I decluttered. First, this little, it's supposed to be a wreath form, but I didn't know how to use it, so we're getting rid of that. And next, we're going to get rid of this book. I never really used it. It wasn't really what I was looking for, so I'm going to pass that along. And then I'm going to get rid of this sign that you see here. It's a sled that I painted on, but I'm going to just let it go because it wasn't the size I needed. And I'm also going to get rid of that I used in the fall it's just not really my style, and it doesn't fit my table very well. So I'm going to let that go. Last container, because I don't need that on my counter anymore.